Hello everyone, how are you? So today in this video I'm going to show you some face yoga exercises. These face yoga exercises we have to do at least for 15 days to see the results. You can do these exercises either early in the morning or even in the evening, but I prefer to do my exercises first thing in the morning. So these exercises will really help you to contour your face, to improve your face structure, to improve your skin texture, and to reduce your double chin as well. So let's start. So for the first exercise, we are going to protrude our jaw ahead and then open and close our mouth for around 20 to 25 times. We have to do 20 to 25 repetitions of this exercise. First, you have to protrude your jaw and then like this. You have to open and close your mouth for at least 20 to 25 times, and similarly we'll do it turning your head to the left and to the right side like this. Then to the left. So protrude your jaw and repeat this on all three sides for at least 20 to 25 times. So our second exercise will really help you to get rid of your double chin and to contour your cheeks. So what we have to do is we have to lift our chin up and pout. And we are going to make this pout for at least 20 times. So you chin up and pout. So like this, we are going to do 20 to 25 repetitions of this exercise. For the third exercise, we are going to extend our jaw and hold our mouth or face in that position till you feel comfortable. So we have to extend your jaw . Like this, and hold it in that position. You will feel stretch over here on your neck area, and you have to hold your face in that position till the time you feel comfortable or till the time you feel some shivering effect over here. And this exercise, we are going to do it for 3 to 5 times. In our next exercise, we are going to squeeze this temple area and make a pout and hold our face in that position till the time you feel comfortable. And then we are going to do 5 repetitions of this step. So we have to, for this area, we are going to squeeze the temple area and create a pout. Like this. So we are going to do this for 5 times, and you have to hold it in that position till the time you feel comfortable. For the last exercise, we have to close our mouth and fill in air in our cheeks. So you have to fill in as much air as you can, and when you feel that you cannot hold any more air and it is going to come out, so then you hold your lips so that it gives more area to hold that air, and we are going to hold this position for as long as we feel comfortable, and we are going to do 3 to 5 repetitions of this exercise. So I'll show you how to do this. So in this way, you have to hold your face in that position for as long as you can, and we'll do 5 repetitions of this exercise. So these 5 exercises would hardly take 5 to 7 minutes from your daily routine, and it's best if you do it early in the morning. And if you continue these exercises for at least 15 days, I'm sure you'll see results. You'll see your double chin decreasing, and your face getting more shape, and your skin starts glowing. So I hope this video is helpful to all of you. Thank you.